Hello friends, welcome you all in Himachal Darshan. Today I am going to apprise you with Kadi Patta. Kadi Patta tree is a kind of small tree. These are curry leaves and flowers are grown in the tree nowadays. In a few days, these flowers will be converted into fruits. Friends, Kadi Patta is a kind of small tree. It is found almost in hot climate and is a native plant of India, also called sweet neem. Usually, curry leaves grow 4 to 5 meters tall and trunk may grow up to 40 centimeter in diameter. This is a fully grown curry leaf tree. Height is about 6 meter and trunk is about 40 centimeter in diameter. Kadi patta are used in Ayurvedic medicines over 3000 years ago. The leaves are very shiny. They can be boiled for a tea or a tonic. They have natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. These leaves are also good source of iron, helping a person in anemia. The main property of curry patta are they are anti-diabetic that help to reduce blood sugar. The diabetic patients can add these curry patta in their daily food. Curry patta leaves. This is a small plant. Below the big plants, when seeds are grown, seeds fell down, fruits fell down, and another new plant is grown there. So, from their area, we can remove a small plant of curry leaf and can grow in our own garden, or we can grow it in the pots also. So it is very simple to grow a curry patta tree in your garden. These curry leaves help in increasing digestion secretions and relieve nausea, morning sickness, and vomiting. Friends, curry patta can be used in many ways. It can be used in South Indian dishes. It can be used to make tadka. Most common use of curry patta is to make a tadka while making vegetable or any pulse. So friends, we can also dry them and flavor our vegetable or dal, any of the dal, in sambar, bada, and in almost all uh, breakfast dishes. So this is a curry patta leaf. We can detach it from the stems and collect it also. So friends, you are aware with curry patta benefits. Use it as much as possible.